I hope this is good for y'all. Anyways, what's good, YouTube, man? Today is December 1st. You probably seen this video. This is the second. Don't worry, I can explain. I got real busy today. We're doing schoolwork, and so yeah. But technically, this is gonna be my December 1st video, but you're watching on the second. So today, y'all, I might be showing y'all my super tragic Dreadlock Journey. I'm basically gonna be exposing myself, showing all my old pictures from when I started, and I'm gonna be basically explaining what was going on and give y'all my super sad, tragic origin story as to why I got dreads. So without further ado, man, let's get straight into it. I'm gonna get ready to show y'all these pictures. So this journey actually started in the beginning of March. That's when it started. So I'm not gonna be sparing that. I'm gonna be showing y'all month by month how much my hair grew. And also, this is gonna be my last day with the 4-strand twist. I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on how to get dreads like mine, or what I did. That's gonna be the next video that you're probably gonna see. But yeah, y'all, so this right here is the first picture of my hair. Like, literally. You probably gonna be like, man, what is this? But listen, hear me out. So this was actually February. This is like probably like the last day of February, so going into March. I always be one of them dudes in class. I used to sit there, you know what I'm saying, do like this all the time, blah, blah, blah. And bro, folks used to joke, like, man, what's in your head, blah, blah. You sit there, you look bad. All this other stuff, man. Or whatever. Like, it was just, I don't know, it looks trash. Like, I don't even think I was pulling girls with this, bro. I don't even know. Like, that's how I started, man. This is the first time I was sitting in class with they twisting my hair, ain't no on dreads. This is how I started. Next video. This is actually the next day. I ended up getting like a lineup, as you can see. I probably just woke up, bro. I look crazy, but yeah, this is a picture from 2 years ago. So yeah, right here, you know what I'm saying, boy, looking straight, man. Got a little line up, got a little hair, you know, so I was still sticking to it. And yeah, man, so next picture, that was February. Next picture, this is going into March. He needs some milk. A week after I got a haircut, a week after I started twisting my hair, that was the result. Next picture, this is the same day. Just a side view angle. This picture right here is a week later from a different view. This picture right here is also a week later. I just got a haircut. So as you see, it's tiny progression. This is the end of that month. As you can see right here, I had the 2-strand twist going. And this is how the top of my head look, basically. So next picture, fast forward another week later, we're now in April. Now right here, this is a little video, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what I was doing, bro. It's super cringy. But as you can see, I still have the hair. I was working at McDonald's right here too, so we're still in April. Yeah, basically I had 2-strand twist. Next picture. Okay, next picture is a full month. This is a full month after the last picture. So within a month's due time, you can see like the growth. Like my hair is kind of like free forming, and it kind of look way better than the 2 months like before I had started. But again, progress. Next picture, this is a month after this picture, which is June. I had graduated because, you know, I graduated in 2020. So this is how my hair looked for graduation. I had full freeform twists. This is actually one of my favorite hairstyles. Like, if I can go back to get a hairstyle, I would go back and get this. Not like this if I cut my hair, but I would definitely get freeforms. I like this style a lot. So yeah, this is June. Next picture, this is towards the end of June, so later June. This is another angle of my head. You see like how the back of my hair was growing and stuff. Cool stuff. Next picture is about 2.5 weeks from that, so now we're in July. This is how my hair looked in July. Had the freeforms going. Now when I had this cut, I ain't gonna lie, I was gonna allow to play with this cut. Like this was a good cut. You know what I'm saying? Like my hair had really like grew into something a little bit, and it actually looked good. But yeah, this is my July picture. This is a little video from July, you know what I'm saying? Rocking in freeforms. Some light. All right, now next picture will be August. This is how my hair looked in August. Again, still had the freeforms. As you can see, they were actually starting to hang a little bit more, and yeah, that's what I was rocking with. Still favorite haircut phase. All right, now let's get into September. Now this is September 2020. Hair look a little rough right here. Didn't have a haircut, but as you can see, the hair grows. Like when you have dreads, you don't really see the growth in your hair because I mean, you basically looking at your hair like all the time, so you think it's not really growing, but everybody else see it. So now that I'm looking back, I can see like, dang, my hair was like actually getting longer by my month. So this is September. Next we have a full. Let me see. Wait, did I skip August, y'all? Oh no, I didn't skip August. Okay, that's September. This is another picture from September. I had started, you know what I'm saying? I got a little inches. I started putting my hair up and stuff. So yeah, this was another picture from September, I believe. Yeah, so just say September. As you can see, still real short. I had just started, you know, getting rubber banding and doing styles and stuff with it. So let's see, what's the next picture? Next picture will be should be in October. Dang, y'all, I actually don't have. I don't think I have any pictures of my hair in October. So we finna skip 2021. So from the September picture you just seen, we're gonna fast forward to January. And this is how my hair looked in January. As you can see, from a couple months past, it went from like right here to my forehead to like kind of down, touching like my eyebrow. So this is like the first month of January right here. Next we got February, again, progress. We got March, again, you see the progress right here. I actually like this picture, you know what I'm saying? This from a minute ago, but yeah. I had like full dreads. Like then it got to the point where they were like really like hanging and stuff. And at this point, y'all, nobody touched my hair. I did all this myself. I'm gonna be showing y'all how I did it too. But yeah, nobody has never touched my head like up until this point. And so this next picture, this is April. Another one of my favorite haircut stages, you know what I'm saying? I like this hairstyle a lot. Still, I've never gotten a retwist or nothing. Like just straight a year into it. No retwist, no nothing. Straight, just dreads hanging out of freeforms. Yeah, so let me show y'all my first retwist is right here. Just a couple days after that pic, I got my first retwist with my cousin did my hair when I went to Texas. And this is how I was looking. As you can see, it looked like neat. It had a little part in between the hair and just, you know, it was hanging out. Like it was about this level. It's crazy now to see see my hair twisted up now, it's down here. Now untwisted, I think my hair is gonna be almost touching shoulder though. So progress, y'all. Okay, so going back to June 2021, this is how my hair looked right here. I actually skipped May, but from April to June, you can see how my hair looked right there. And we can go to the next month. This is July, right? I had a hat on, so probably can't really tell the growth, but again, hair was getting thicker and everything else. Let's see. August, this is how my hair looked August. Now this is at this point in time, this is over a full year or something of hair growth right here in this picture. So yeah, still ear length. This next picture, this is another picture from August. You see from a different angle. Had a head full of hair and new growth was crazy. Okay, this video right here is another video from August. Alright, September. That's what I was like. I don't know what I was listening to. Like, but yeah, that's how my hair look. Look like a little baby Chief Keef, man. Alright, another picture of September. Yeah, my hair looked bad. I think I was about to get a retwist. But this is actually right before my September retwist. My second ever retwist in 2021. As you can see where my hair needed it. Like, it looked terrible. Alright, so this next picture, this is from a photo shoot I did from a friend of mine's brand. Y'all go shop the brand, man. Imitated clothing. You know what I'm saying? But this is a photo shoot I did. This was in October. As you can see, the dress really like coming into their own. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like neck level, you know what I'm saying? All that. Like, really getting there. All right, his next picture is from November. He's also one of my favorite pictures and favorite hair lengths. You know, it's just cool. You know. And yeah, I'm finna gonna show y'all December and the rest of this year.
Damn, my shit is skip through the 99. Yeah, keep a Glock on my side. Tell me, shawty, is you in tonight? I told the guy, guess he ain't hearing me right. I'm tough for
the whole process, man. If anybody out there wanna grow dreads, man, I say do it. Don't be scared to go through that ugly phase, bro. Cause trust me, as y'all can see, you gonna have an ugly phase, bro. But you just gotta bear with it. And my suggestion is, I say, if you're going through the ugly phase, keep a haircut, cause the haircut helps. Like, cause you know, them times when you ain't got no cut and you going through that little growth phase, bro, it get depressing, bro. You gonna get sad, bro. You gonna be looking at type of way, like y'all see these pictures and stuff. But anyways, on that, all in all, it's a real having dreads is a good thing. Like it's like a kind of like a journey. You know what I'm saying? Like when I started mine, bro, like I kind of knew like, okay, I want this to be a part of me and this is my life going forward, you know what I'm saying? And plus, like, girls like hair. Like, y'all know that. Girls like dudes with hair. You know what I'm saying? But I never thought I was really gonna look right with dreads. I always thought my head, like, it was too big, or I just really didn't think it would have been like me. But you know, getting them, man, like them, man. I feel like they fit me well, so yeah, man. But I'm gonna also do a tutorial on how I end up, like how I did my own dreads, because a lot of people don't know you can like dread your own hair. Like this came from me. Like up until like a year of me having dreads, I have never even got a retwist or anything like that. But yeah, man, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all give it likes and thumbs up, man. This is the first day of December. This is the first video I'm dropping for y'all. One down, we got 24 more to go. Appreciate everybody for watching. And y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for the next couple videos, man. My birthday is coming up too. We'll do a little birthday vlog. Y'all make sure y'all check that out, man. If y'all want to go follow me on the gram or do some videos with me, DM me. IG is gonna be in the description. But yeah, man, subscribe if you're new, like the video. We out this thing.